To add or invite users to your Danalog account, sign in to your Danalog account on my.danalog.com. When signed in, you can see an overview of your account with users and locks. The Danapad and Danabridge devices cannot be viewed from the web management platform. Use the Danalog mobile apps to manage these devices. You invite or create users from the menu in the web management portal. Created users is for a more advanced setup where the user you create can add or delete devices on your account. Read more about this in our online guides. The most common user type is the invited user. This could be your rental guests, your colleagues, your partner, your family, kids or friends. There are two user roles for the invited users. The standard is guest and the second one is administrator. Let's invite a user. Click on Invite Users and add the email address of the users you want to add to your account. You can add more by separating them with a comma. Note that they will all be given the same access. If you want to give different access permissions, you will have to invite them separately. Now choose which locks you want to give them access to. And choose what access type. You can choose permanent, temporary, or recurring. We recommend leaving the refresh interval as it is. Now press Invite. The two users we invited here, you can see the difference between them by looking at the icon. The first one is an already known user in the Danalog system. The second one is a new user which will be given an email with an instruction to create their account and sign in to accept the invitation. Now let's view the emails sent to the users. The non-existing Danalog user will receive an email asking them to create a new user by clicking the link Set up account. Once the user have created the account and signed in, they can accept the invitation, but only when clicking the link. Existing users will be asked to go to My Danalog, sign in and accept the invitation. But you can also instruct them to go into their Danalog mobile app and accept the invitation from there. They will find it under My Account and Invitations in the menu. As said before, an existing user can sign in on my.danalog.com with their Danalog account to accept the invitations from there. Note that the user will, at this point, not be able to see the locks you invited them to in the my.danalog.com web interface. The standard setup for invited users are with the role of a guest, and guests can only operate locks from the mobile apps. Once the user have accepted the invitation, you will find the user in your account. From here, you can either change the user's role from guest to administrator, or add more locks for the users to operate or remove locks. If you have given the user the role of administrator, the user can manage your account, except from adding and deleting devices. And settings of the devices must be done from the Danalog mobile apps. From the web management portal, My Danalog, the administrator can manage users, and they can change some elements of devices. They can change what locks the users have access to, and they can invite and create new users. If they go into a specific device, they can change the name of the device. And if the device is bridged with a data bridge, they can also see the battery state, the firmware version, and if paired with a data pad, also manage pin codes remotely. And under the Operate Lock tab, they can operate the lock, so lock and unlock. The status of the door currently is visualized at the top bar with either a red for locked or a green bar for unlocked.